Hey everyone, I'm Robert from Bullmite, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule social media posts using Go High Level. Whether you're a business owner or a busy marketer, this tool will save you tons of time and keep your social media game strong. Let's get started. First, you need to go to app.gohighlevel.com and make sure you are logged in. Also, make sure you are on the right seat, which can be seen on the upper left corner. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on Marketing, which is on the lower left of the screen. Then you need to go to Social Planner, right over here. As you can see here, all my social media accounts have already been connected. If you haven't connected your socials yet, click this wheel icon. Then go to Connect Social. You will see all the social media platforms that you can connect to GHL. Once they are all connected, click on New Post. There are two ways to create a post on Go High Level. You can create it manually, or you can create it by adding a CSV, which I will talk about on my next video. For now, we will learn on how to create a post on Go High Level manually. Click Create New Post and select your social account that you want to post to. So for example, I want to post on Instagram. You can choose whether you want to create a post, a story, or a reel. If you want to post on more than one platform, click on the top here and choose Other Platforms. You can see now that the story and reel options are no longer available. That is only for Instagram. Now let's type something for the post and add hashtags over here. You can make the text bold, or you can set it in italics. You can add emojis, and you can add an image or a video by clicking these icons here. I'm going to add a picture, so click Upload from Media Library and click Upload File and choose the images you want to upload. Now you can see the post preview up here. So here's the preview for Facebook, for Instagram, and for LinkedIn. Now you can save this for later, post it right away, or you can click this small arrow over here to schedule the post. Choose your date and time. So for example, tomorrow at 12 noon. Then click Schedule Post. And that's it. You've just learned how to manually schedule social media posts using Go High Level. Remember, you can also upload a CSV file if you have multiple posts planned out. It's a fantastic way to keep your social media consistent and engaging without spending hours every day posting. In our next video, we'll dive into how to create posts by uploading a CSV file, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching and happy posting.